Hello, this is a quick tutorial for how to upload documents to your Moodle course site. It's super easy. So first you're going to want to turn editing on. Once you see these editing buttons, these little 4-point stars, the plus signs, the word edit, you know that editing is on. Once that's happening, all you have to do is open your Finder, or if you're on a PC, open your files, find the PDF or other file that you want, click, drag, and drop. That's how you can upload them. If you want to change the name of the file, you can do it right here just by clicking the pencil. You can also move that file around once you bring it in if it doesn't go in quite the right place. You click this little star to drag it, drop it wherever you would like. You can do this upload with many file types, the common ones of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF. They all upload simply by dragging and dropping. So the step again, turn editing on. That's under the big blue gear. If I click it in again, it will be turning it off. But it's the second option. Turn editing on if it's not already on. You'll see these little edit buttons. Then you'll just open your files on your computer, depending on a Mac or PC. Once you've identified the file, located the file you want, select it, click and drag, and drop it anywhere you like. You can also move it around. If you decide that you need to remove a file, once editing is on, you can click on this drop-down arrow by Edit, click on Delete, and then it goes away. It's that simple to get PDFs of articles or other readings for students, your syllabus, any other files that you have, maybe a PowerPoint slideshow, into your Moodle site so that your students can access them. Don't hesitate to send us an email if you have any questions. edtech@pacificu.edu. We look forward to hearing from you.